if you're interested in getting a scrub that will glow your skin, then you want to keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this Karis natural scrub. So if you're interested in hearing my honest experience with this particular scrub, or you're interested in getting a scrub that will glow your skin, then you want to keep on watching, because I'm going to be telling you guys all you need to know about this Karis natural scrub, how to use it, and how to achieve that glowing skin while using this particular scrub. So let's jump right into it. So the name of the product I'll be reviewing for you guys today is called the Karis Naturals Papaya Deep Cleansing Face and Body Scrub. Like, this particular scrub comes in different variants or types. Like, it have other types, but the particular one I'll be talking about in this video is the one with papaya, and this is it right here. It comes in this 600 ml plastic container that have a yellow cover. The container is actually transparent, so you can see the product inside. This is the product right here. This is what this product actually looks like. Can you guys see it? Focus. So if you take out this cover, this is what the inside looks like. So you can basically see we have this cream base, so creamy. Like, it's very creamy, and it have those tiny exfoliants in it. Like, the texture of this particular scrub is super different from the other scrubs that I've used. It's actually a physical scrub, but it have a really nice creamy texture, and I like it. I also have this scrub has a mild and refreshing fragrance attached to it. Like, it smells so nice. So let's take a look at the ingredient list of the scrub and what it actually promises. So yeah, taking a look at the ingredient list of this particular Karis Naturals Papaya Deep Cleansing Face and Body Scrub. This particular Karis scrub is formulated with aqua, stearic acid, cetyl alcohol, walnuts, wood extract, with carica papaya being the 12th ingredient on the list. So let's take a look at what this Karis Naturals Papaya Face and Body Scrub actually promises. According to what's written on the body of this particular scrub, states that Karis Naturals Papaya Deep Cleansing Face and Body Scrub deeply exfoliates complexion, dulling impurities, helps skin retain its elasticity, clarity, and suppleness. Regular exfoliation increases skin's capability to absorb moisture, thereby revealing soft, glowing, fresh, and healthy looking skin. So that is what is written on the body of this Karis Naturals Papaya Scrub. This product actually promises a lot. So that aside, I'm going to be telling you guys my honest experience with this particular Karis Naturals Papaya Deep Cleansing Face and Body Scrub. What I actually like and the things I don't really like about this particular product. So I've been using this scrub for a month now, because someone actually requested I make a video on this particular scrub. So I decided to try it out in order to have the experience of this product before making this review. So that was why I actually got the scrub and started using it. So judging by my own personal experience while using this Karis Naturals Papaya Deep Cleansing Face and Body Scrub, I actually love the fragrance of this particular scrub. Like, I love the way it smells. It has a really nice, refreshing fragrance. Like, the scent of this product is not too strong in any way. Like, even a sensitive skin type can get away with using this particular scrub. Like, the scent of this particular scrub is very refreshing, especially after using it. And the scent of this product, it doesn't linger for too long. It just stays on for some minutes and disappears. Another thing I love about this particular scrub is the fact that it's a cream based scrub. Like, Like this particular Karis Naturals Papaya Scrub, unlike your regular scrubs that have its base products as sugar, salt, coffee and the rest, this particular one is a cream based scrub. Like it has a really creamy texture, like a whipped cream with small granules or exfoliants inside. And that's something I really love about this particular scrub. Like it doesn't give off that harsh feel on the skin. Like when using this particular scrub to exfoliate my skin, like it doesn't feel harsh in any way. It gently exfoliates your skin, gets rid of the dead skin cells that are on the surface of your skin without stripping your skin or causing you micro tears on the skin. It's a really nice scrub to use if you have a very sensitive skin. The texture of this particular scrub is something that is so soothing on the skin. It's not in any way harsh like your salt or sugar scrub. No, it gently exfoliates the skin and gets rid of the dead skin cells. The scrub that when you use it on your skin is going to gently exfoliate your skin without causing you micro tears on the skin. Another thing I actually love about the scrub is the feel it gives after scrubbing your skin. Like after exfoliating my skin with this particular Karis Natural Scrub, it totally makes my skin feel smooth, soft and refreshed. It gives off that clean, smooth feel instantly. Like it's not a scrub that you're going to use on your skin and you will start noticing that your skin is dry. No. So this particular scrub is a very nice scrub. Like it's suitable for all skin types and complexion. It's a scrub that is very suitable for those with sensitive skin. Like if you want something gentle yet very effective, then you want to opt in for this Karis Natural Scrub. Like it's going to gently exfoliate your skin and give you that radiant glowing effect. Like instantly your skin is going to glow and you're going to feel super soft and smooth after exfoliating with this Karis Natural Papaya Scrub. Yeah, another thing I love about the scrub is the fact that you can basically get away with not moisturizing your skin immediately after scrubbing with this particular Karis Natural Scrub. Like this particular scrub doesn't make your skin feel dry immediately after exfoliating your skin. Like you can basically get away with not moisturizing your body after using this Karis Natural Scrub. Yeah, it's very moisturizing on the skin. It doesn't strip your skin of its natural oils. It's going to keep your skin well moisturized even after exfoliating your skin. Like this particular scrub, I've gotten away with not moisturizing my skin after using it. Like that day I finished exfoliating and I left my skin like that without applying my moisturizer. I'm not asking you to do that though, but my skin did not feel dry in any way afterwards. Like I even forgot that I've not even applied my moisturizer on my body. And yeah, that's something I really love about the scrub. And yeah, another good thing about the scrub is the fact that it contains papaya. And guys, that's something I really love about the scrub. If you know about carica papaya, you're going to know that papaya is a great skin ingredient. Like it's a very nice ingredient to use on your body. It acts as an exfoliant, so it's going to basically exfoliate your skin, get rid of the dead skin cells on your skin surface, and it also helps to prevent acne. Like if you're battling with acne, pimples or breakouts on your skin, you can basically try out using papaya on your skin and you're going to love the effect it gives on the skin. It helps to curb or prevent acne on the skin, and that's something I love about it. And another great benefit of using papaya is the fact that it brightens up the skin. It gives you that radiant glowing complexion while making your skin remain healthy. So this particular scrub having that papaya content should tell you that this is a great product to use on your skin. This particular Karis Naturals Papaya Scrub is going to exfoliate your skin, brighten up your skin, and glow your skin because of the papaya ingredients in it. Like, it's not going to in any way thin out your skin. It's going to help secrete collagen on your skin. So in other words, this Karis Naturals Papaya Scrub also serves as an anti-aging product. So it's going to help reduce any form of wrinkles, dullness, or fine lines on your skin. Another great ingredient in this is the aqua and stearic acid. Like, these two ingredients will help to soften your skin, smoothen your skin, and prevent your skin from losing moisture after exfoliating your skin. Like, this particular scrub is a really nice scrub to use if you want to get away with not moisturizing your skin after scrubbing your skin. The stearic acid in this particular product is going to help brighten up your skin. Like, if you use this consistently, be sure that you're gonna achieve that glowing, radiant looking complexion. So this Karis Naturals Papaya Face and Body Scrub is a really nice scrub to use if you're battling with dull skin. It's going to basically exfoliate your skin and get rid of the dead skin cells on your skin to give you a more radiant, glowing effect on the skin. It's sold at the price of 1,800. The price tag is still here. So I got this at the price of 1,800 at Roban store. So if you want to get that glowing skin while using the Karis Natural Scrub, you want to wet your body first with water, lather your body in your soap, then take a small amount of the scrub and use your hand. Do not use an exfoliating glove to apply this to your face. Just use your hand and apply this to your face. If you're using it on your face, gently apply it on your face. Don't apply too much force on it and use it to exfoliate your face. You can basically get away with using this as a face scrub. Leave it on for a minute or two and rinse off your face and body. You're going to love the feel you get to this particular Karis Natural Scrub. It's a really nice scrub to use for all skin types and complexion. You can get this and get that glowing skin. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.